Welcome to XChange.Survival, and today we are unboxing the Sharp Tool Safety Hammer from Baseus. During emergencies, you can use this tool to break the window so that you can escape. It comes with a piece of glass so that you can test out the tool. The tool comes with a clip which can be pasted onto the surface of the car. If you are unable to remove the seatbelt, you can use the seatbelt cutter to remove the seatbelt. When you press the tool against the glass, it will launch out a metal tip which will break the glass. It has a spring-loaded mechanism which will help you to reload itself after it's been engaged. Like, share and subscribe to see how it works.